let's see what we have today. Equipment's fine. Javelin, heavy cargo, refueling, heavy, wow. You know what, let's try the ion rings again. Massive. Just massive. That center is not intact. Not touching. We'll probably need to experiment with the forces of these. See how much health it would destroy from us. And the final one. Let's take a step back. Let's move those down. I don't even need to look. The iron rings, the first different propulsion system we've seen besides the thrusters in this game, and the nacelles. They're always required. They measure them in mass, not by functional units, apparently.
Salvage secured. Credits deposited.
Just make sure this one gets down there.
Salvage secured. Account credit applied.
Okay, the front rings are secured.
Salvage deposit accepted. Credits
Not too
transferred.
bad for refueling. You know what, let's leave them largely intact this time. Separate it here. I mean, that's a good idea to have a stronger binding point for the engines to the frame,
secured. Credits
not
deposited.
some level 1 aluminum on there. Let's see if that will count. Take a step back. That basically leaves them in half. Now, how much mass is this? So it's 8,000. Now, if they're still connected, will they count together? Roughly 7,500. Let's see if it'll... because that'll save us some time. This should take us... we're over 8,000 right now. So if this all counts... It should, they're connected. Taking a terrible amount of time. Wow.
Salvage deposit accepted. Credits
I
transferred.
think it... Did it count? Let's find out. Yeah, I would say so. Okay, that took a terrible amount of time. Unfortunately, we just don't know at this game. Send it. Hopefully we won't be horrifically disturbed or disrupted by the ignorance that is above us. I think this one we had to separate them manually. It just would not count. Which is too bad.
Salvage secured. Credits deposited.
We'll send that later once it's out of the way. We can begin separating these. If I remember correctly, those count as electrical. And those things just spin around, they don't register. It's
Salvage
just bouncing
secured.
around. That's
Account
really,
credit applied.
really terrible. Yeah, that's just terrible. Okay, that's not acceptable. You take the most important mechanic of this game and you make it work terribly. That you have nothing at that point. Just register, it doesn't need to be horizontal. This is terrible. I say it every time, but it is. This is just bad. You want some Steam awards? You want some recognition to fix this? Just unbelievable. I don't want those things floating around. Oh wow, finally registered. Well,
Salvage
too bad.
deposit
That one's
accepted.
going to the
Credits
furnace.
transferred.
Yeah, I know it got destroyed.
Salvage secured. Credits deposited. Salvage deposit accepted. Credits transferred.
Do we even need electrical?
Salvage
No.
secured. Account credit applied.
Reactive cores. Power cell 1. find
Salvage
that
secured.
easy enough.
Credits deposited.
We do have to go in the airlock. Doesn't appear to be any side access. Up on top. No. Okay, we have to go to the airlock.
Cutter, you got 5 minutes left in this shift. Knock out that work order before they turn the lights out on you. We were out.
Airlock pressure levels dropping.
Let's go inside.
Airlock pressure levels increasing.
Yeah, we are pressurized, okay. We can probably get this. Do you even have to check to see if it's lined up? Of course not.
Air pressure level decreasing.
Well, this is gonna be not quite enough time to get the reactor out now. If I wouldn't have been wasting time tracking that object to see if it was gonna register in the barge, we would have had enough time. I do make that reactor pretty loud, and I don't have a problem with that. Is this another high gain antenna? Unpressurized, correct. Oh, we have to break these. Not necessarily. Let's see if we can pull this off and get this out of the way.
Cutter, we're getting down to the wire. Let's put a bow on this shift.
Yeah, that'll do it. I mean, it's almost there. That's more than enough space. We'll just split this. Should be. Oh, wait a second. through the reactor. Let's wait till that gets out of the way before we damage that a little bit. This can actually go straight in there. It's not gonna go. It's still in the way. It's okay. We'll pick it up next. Okay. What is this? Oh, is that how I gain part of the antenna array? Let's take that. This should be far enough. Oh my gosh, that's a bad throw.
Salvage secured. Account credit applied.
You know what? We actually do not need this one as well anymore. Capacity full. Alright. Well, looks like we will have to destroy it then. Actually, that's perfect. Hopefully it doesn't cross that line. It's going fast enough, it should. Perfect. Okay. That reactor part was full. We still have lots of stuff in the way.
Object accepted for processing. Credits deposited.
Should rotate down. Perfect. Now, if I pull that reactor now, let's just take this off too. Never mind, it's fixed. I thought that outer rail was free, it is not. Okay, let's pull the coolant. And we'll quickly pull the reactor. That way we have a little extra time manually taking the coolant out instead of just forcing the reactor offline. Okay, it's not counting down yet. That's interesting. It should be. There it goes. Okay, so it like requires coolant and fuel to be shutting off.
Salvage deposit accepted. Credits
Never
transferred.
noticed that before. Of course, we've never taken a part in that order before. The rocket was always first. Thruster, rather.
Salvage secured. Credits deposited.
Right, that takes care of most of the important stuff back here. Actually, all of the important stuff back here.
Salvage deposit accepted. Credits transferred.
Now let's see if we can get this apart without it destroying our faces. Okay, that was nice. That's all we needed it to do. Okay, we're going back there. Rings out. Coolant still. ECU still in here. It's a weird design.
Salvage
This
secured.
floor is gonna go.
Account credit applied.
All of it. Hey, there's our power cell. We need one of.
Salvage secured. Credits
pretty weird.
deposited.
They want something, so I guess that's just what somebody wanted. They needed a power cell. Should force them out of the way. Yes. This is all ready for... This is all ready for processor. Nice. Alright, let's take it.
Salvage secured. Account credit applied.
Tether will still break, but that's okay.
Valuable object processed. Credits awarded.
Kind of a new sequence for us. We don't usually complete the aft section first. But that might be a better sequence.
Valuable object processed. Credits awarded.
What is this? Nothing. Let's check our metal fuses 2, data drive 1, airlocks. We do need all of the airlocks intact, so we'll do that. I believe there's 6, so we have room for 1 mistake.
Valuable object processed. Credits deposited.
Just 1. Gotta get through this. I don't know why I get a warning when we're still like 75% remaining. It's a lot. 5-10% sure. Like 80, 75. We don't need a warning. It's okay. The ship held. The airlock was invented, but it is now. We need to cut this off quickly. Make sure we don't cut too far. Perfect, all through it. No, it's not really luck, it's just positioning. Not here yet.
Got about 5 minutes left in this shift, Cutter. Don't bite off more than you can chew.
Perfect.
Weaver out.
Okay, that should be it. Nope. We gotta be more observant. Still another one? What? Man, I was doing pretty sloppy job actually. Really sloppy job. Another one missed. Okay, that's terrible. We've gone around this thing 4 times. We must have hit some debris. That's amazing. It got hit so small that it actually did that. It's fine. This is ready to go, so there's no point in sending it back. Some aluminum, some metal. Oh gosh, alright. Alright, fine. I'll do it right. This whole rail is ready to go.
Oxygen reserves are low. Reminder, asphyxiation can lead to missed salvage quotas.
So all the furnace perfect. Let's take a quick look in here. Got a few minutes left.
Airlock pressure levels dropping. Airlock pressure levels increasing. Oxygen levels stabilizing. Air pressure level decreasing. Fire damage.
Shouldn't be a fire in a vacuum. Should not be burning in a vacuum. Definitely need to work on that. No fire in a vacuum. It just doesn't work that way. Even space fire. Even fire 200 years from now. It still works the same.
Time is winding
I don't
down,
understand
Cutter.
why this
Dig
does
deep
this.
and let's finish strong.
Can't repressurize this. I can't open the door now. I mean, pressure differentials are acceptable. That's why there's airlocks. Can't vent that cabin. Maybe it's because I separated some of the ship. You know, like, these are only mechanical connections. Utilities go through your power, data, water, hydraulic, electrical, whatever. Alright, let's see. 4.4, pretty good. It's the reactor, of course. Alright, didn't start the recording exactly before the shift started, but nothing was missed. Do we need electronics? No. Unfortunately, this is a pretty small work order.
Object accepted for processing. Credits deposited.
We don't need any of that, so that's awesome.
Salvage deposit accepted. Credits transferred.
We don't need to separate these, they're not required. Shoot. How
Salvage
is this gonna
secured.
be
Credits
quickly
deposited.
done? This one doesn't have the air bridge, just the air locks. Nanocarbon is good. Airlocks. It says furnace, so we'll take it. One airlock.
Raw material processed.
Wonder if
Credits
that will
deposited.
include it into that. Just went to itself. Yeah, that was one airlock, okay.
Salvage secured. Account credit applied. Raw material processed. Credits deposited.
What do we need to do? Airlock's fine. I just don't want to have to go through splitting all of these off. But you know what? It is worth it because of the credits. That is ultimately our goal. just need to ultimately take those anyway. Fortunately, we need the credits.
Salvage deposit accepted. Credits transferred.
I just wish these were able to be collected a little cleaner.
Salvage secured. Credits deposited. Salvage secured. Account credit applied. Salvage deposit accepted. Credits transferred.
Not register.
Salvage secured.
No, it didn't.
Credits
Of course
deposited.
not.
Salvage secured. Account credit applied.
No, that was definitely free.
Salvage deposit accepted. Credits transferred.
Just pull. Just take it out. There we go. Okay, that looks pretty good.
Salvage secured. Credits deposited. Salvage deposit accepted. Credits transferred.
Perfect. Let's clear it out at
Salvage
least.
secured. Account credit applied.
I mean, with these ships, it definitely feels like you're actually using the barge.
Salvage secured.
I think this
Account
ship was
credit
designed
applied.
to fill the barge up more, almost. Okay, just carbon, metal, fuses, no big deal.
Salvage deposit accepted. Credits transferred.
I mean, that's a pretty weak connection in between these ships. That's it. Simple tier 1. Yeah, now they're separated, just like that. That's a bit of an oversight. Alright, what do we need to finish this off? This is all carbon and metal. The frame is carbon. That's carbon. It's just different tiers of carbon. There's a little aluminum. Do we need metal? Yes, we do. We don't need much left. This is kind of a wasted shift.
5 minutes left of this shift before they turn the lights out on you. It's better. Be right.
Just shut the tether off. You know what? We'll just break it here. Should be cleared. I'm not going to get that off anytime soon. Gotta be careful with this direction. There we go. This entire thing can go into process. I think it's mostly carbon. Some titanium, but that's all processing anyway. There's a little bit of metal.
Warning. Your oxygen reserves are dropping below statistically profitable levels.
This needs to be brought up here anyway, so we'll just get that into movement.
Caution. Tether supplies running low.
Furnace. Alright, we're pretty close to the hab. We'll just fill everything up real quick.
Deposit accepted.
Welcome to Megatron 9.
Oxygen levels stabilizing.
It's mostly titanium. Carbon. Okay. Alright, so we get this out. Take this.
Salvage secured. Credits deposited.
This last one is going to be difficult. I remember this having problems before. Yep, same thing. Just same thing. No help.
All right, Cutter. Wrap it up. You got about a minute left.
Processing valuable object. Credits awarded.
Well, looks like we have to destroy this. Let's get this out. At least one side, not both. Why is it still stuck? Got it. Okay. 1.7. It's all those fuel tanks. I guess they are worth it. They really are. Okay, mouse was acting up again. I had to shut it off. That ended up pretty far out of the way. And it went perfectly in the spot that I can't get it out of. Okay, redirect it down. Oh, is this little game again with all of these? Yes. Oh, man.
Salvage secured. Account credit applied.
Well, we're not doing that. I don't know what they are, how much they're worth.
Salvage deposit accepted. Credits transferred.
We just can't do that. Got the tanks. We got the electrical pieces in between them. It's like some sort of bomb out of a B-52 bomber. Such a cool time in history. I can see that one is bothering me. Now
Salvage
this
secured.
one,
Credits deposited.
this is gonna go pretty far. Clear this one. Clear this corner out. We're cutting the wrong one. Let's cut this one. Throw one more charge. The opposite direction. Let's put an anchor on it too. Just keep it here. Okay, it's not too bad actually. Perfect. Nice opening there. What is this? Nothing is registering, okay.
Salvage secured. Account credit applied.
Okay, perfect. Send it. Okay, metal. We still need carbon fuses. Those are easy. We know exactly where those are. Let's just disconnect this one.
Salvage deposit accepted.
Pull this
Credits
one
transferred.
straight out.
Deposit not accepted.
Okay, metal's done. We can focus on carbon. It's like a... No, it's not gonna do it, okay? We need to cut out two sides.
Salvage secured. Credits deposited. Salvage secured. Account credit applied.
Okay, what do we got? One left. There's at least 3 more airlocks. Pairs of airlocks. Javelin ships make a little more sense as far as airlocks. The center chamber and two more doors to allow a pressure differential. Okay, this is all. It should be carbon, metal.
Salvage deposit
Yeah,
accepted.
that's
Credit
processed. Okay,
transferred.
perfect. This is a lot of cutting. Let's try to make this a little faster this time. Actually, we need to vent this first before we have a disaster. That went through. I'm surprised. Surprised that didn't go off in our face. Okay, perfect. Carbon. Let's just go in. Just go in, vent it, cut everything out, take the 2 airlocks here. There's 3 more I can get. Oh, this game. Even though.
Valuable object
Just
processed.
go right here.
Credits deposited.
I really wish there was easier to change directions. Momentum faster.
Airlock pressure levels dropping. Airlock pressure levels increasing.
Yeah, so I figured out why some airlocks you can go through and others you can't if something has changed in the structure.
Air pressure level decreasing. Air pressure level decreasing.
They wouldn't be completely decreased, but that's okay. It is now.
Airlock pressure levels increasing.
Why would that increase? There's nothing on the
Airlock
outside of
pressure
this
levels
airlock.
dropping.
Okay, perfect. Two airlocks here, or just one? Looks like one. I'd really like to get the entire debt down before the end of this month. I definitely think it's possible, especially with standard heavy cargoes, non-Javelin class, that's easily done. These Javelin class ships are more enjoyable to salvage. There's a lot more involvement with them. There's a lot of different angles and materials and
Cutter, there's
sequences
5 minutes remaining in this shift.
required.
Get in while the getting's
But
good. We wrap.
as far as raw credit throughput, the standard grade 6 heavy cargo is what I found to be the best so far. I should be using the split saw on this. Process. I almost have this new tool change mechanic memorized. Well, not memorized, just it's becoming more fluid now, at least. And that is a lot of time spent there, too. It makes sense. It's just we spent not an insignificant amount of time with the old tool changements. Okay, we need to get out now. There we go. Let's go. Okay. Process this. Did it rotate the whole ship? Almost, jeez. That's terrible. I should be able to push. I can't even get up 15,000 kilograms. We're getting closer. I should use that more to our advantage, leaving certain sections of the ship pressurized to then, which we were doing that somewhat on the heavy cargo. We would leave flight deck
1 minute left, Cutter. Time
pressurized.
to wrap the fingers up.
Just throw the main deck right off from it. Oh man, this is gonna take. There's gotta be a faster way to do this. I don't think so. Don't think so. Should get 3. Don't want to hit that quick. I think we almost did. Yeah, we did. Couldn't pull that trigger. 1.3, that's fine. Did we finish? No, we still have to get this one. Should be clear. Do we still need metal? Yes, we do. Well, how much is on there? Aluminum. Most of it goes to metal. Okay.
Salvage secured.
Okay.
Credits deposited.
Send it. Perfect. Right there. Some nanocarbon. Just carbon. It's not
Salvage deposit
nano.
accepted. Credits
Not some
transferred.
stupid marketing term. It's just carbon. It says furnace, but we're gonna take. Yeah, we still need carbon. Still quite a bit here. I shouldn't be in here while we're moving towards the furnace. I can't see when we're at the furnace. It's a really bad idea to be in here. It's like the Indiana Jones Temple of Doom. They were on that conveyor belt. Guy's scarf got caught. Pulled him right in. So we don't need. There's nothing I need in there as far as work orders are concerned. Would just like to see all the fuses. We need 2 fuses. Where's the power? Should be on the back of this. Okay, there's one. Just stay right there. I saw one got launched already and destroyed. It's lost. It's alright, we only needed 2. Did we? Yes, we did. Now we can trash this. Salvage as much carbon from that as you can. Burn the rest. There it is. I want to try and finish it this shift if we can.
Object not accepted.
It's fine.
Please revisit your training.
Just take what you can, it's no big deal. There we go.
Credits deposited.
There's our last 2 airlocks, I believe. Oh, we just need 1, okay. Take the carbon here.
Salvage secured. Account credit applied. Work order is complete.
There. Just save it anyway. Send this to the other
Salvage
side.
secured. Credits deposited.
Actually, why do that? Why not? It's already moving.
Valuable objects processed.
Yeah, we've got
Credits
this
awarded.
shift done. In the bag. This is pretty quick, actually. I feel like it was quicker. Left. I hope those black marks are from stuff I've just sent in there. Stuff getting dragged in, I hope so. We'll have to pay more attention to that. These marks right here. There's some up here. Dwester's fuel is 50%. Not the fuel, the durability or longevity. Okay.
Processing valuable object. Credits awarded.
Looks good. .1. We're down to 35.90. A little bit went back up because of our fees, but we are 2/3. We've got about 30% of our debt left soon. Mouse is acting up. Nope, not this one. Repair. Okay, that'll do it.